to the channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of ROST Stores Inc. with the ticker symbol ROST. Today, the stock is down 23, basically 24%, trading at $70.47. 52-week range for this stock is from $69.76 all the way up to $127.58. So today we reached a 52-week low for the stock price of Ross Stores Inc. Basically, everybody calls it Ross. Volume today is 25 million shares that have exchanged hands. We still have close to 3 hours before the markets close. Average volume is typically about 3 million shares that would exchange hands. The market capitalization of this company is $24.77 billion. Now, Ross Stores engages in the operation of off-price retail apparel and home accessories. Its products include branded and designer apparel, accessories, footwear, and home fashion through the Dress for Less and Discount brand, the DD's Discount brand. The company was founded by Stuart G. Muldaur in 1957 and is headquartered in Dublin, California. The company employs about 100,000 people. Now, looking at Ross Stores, this echoes another stock that we just reviewed a couple of days ago, which is Target. So first quarter 2022, these Ross Stores is seeing a decline in its revenue, and it has also revised its outlook for the rest of the year. And of course, that is what has made the markets to get jittery and people are jumping ship. So this decline started yesterday, close to the very close to the closing bell, when I believe they said the stock declined about 25%, and then it continued today, as you guys can see for yourselves on the screen. This is not just an isolated incident. If you look at the top of the screen, you can see all the major indices from Wall Street. They are trending downwards. They are all in the red, and basically since about November last year, let's stretch out to 6 months, you can see that most stocks started their slow, painful decline as early as November last year. And at the time, few people recognized that the economy was actually slowing down, and things were compounded by the Russian and Ukrainian situation. Last year, Ross actually saw quite a bit of business, because you remember the federal government sent out those stimulus checks, and that really helped to boost their bottom line. But starting this year, there hasn't been any stimulus of any type, and you also have supply chain issues that are global in nature, and all of that is weighing down on companies and stores like Ross, which is a discount clothing store. So their motto says "dress for less," which is true. They actually have some very nice and quality items in there, and they cost quite. They are quite cheap, so cheap to acquire. So that's the story about Ross today, down 23.75%, trading at $70.64. Now, if we just go back 5 days ago, you can see that even as late as yesterday, 3 p.m. yesterday, the stock price of Ross was all the way up there at $94 just yesterday. And then within a day, it has dropped all the way down $22.19, trading at $70.53. So quite a loss, and I do empathize with those who have lost a significant amount of their investment that they held in these companies. So if you have a 401k, I don't think there's too much you can do except just watch how things go in free fall. this might be time to up your contribution. That way you can get many of these stocks, or beef up your portfolio for cheap, on the cheap. And if the market reverses, then you will have quite a bit more than when you started out. So retail investors, this is a very hard time. Like I say in my videos, I am not really of the school that you should short any of these companies. Yeah, you can make money, you can make significant amounts of money. I am more into buying stocks because you actually believe in the companies and want to support them and want to see them succeed, rather than praying that the companies fail and everybody gets fired and lose their jobs. So that's where we sit with Ross stores, and that is where the stock is sitting at right now. Thanks for joining me. We've made some improvements, especially with the number of subscribers to the channel. For the longest time, we were stuck at the 408 number. The number of subscribers just wouldn't go up. And I just had to once more reiterate that I want to make a call for action, guys. Help me out, subscribe to the channel. That goes a very long way towards helping me grow this channel. Catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for your time. Bye.